everyone. So you might wonder, what on earth does she have there? Well, this is a blowout pour that I did not like the end result of. It was looking really promising, but I just used way too much paint and it ruined the design. It would have not dried well, so I decided to like really spin it hard just to get that sort of tropical vibe spread out. And now I'm doing a monochrome blowout pour on top of it. So I have some Amsterdam Oxide Black here. Then I have Amsterdam Pearlescent Pearl with a little bit of white mixed in. Then I have Amsterdam Silver mixed with Deco Art Sterling Silver. And finally Amsterdam Graphites mixed with the Deco Art Sterling Silver. So fingers crossed this one will work out better. I will just pop some music on for you, and yeah, let's give it another try. There we go. I like it. Yeah, monochrome flower on a tropical base. I do oftentimes find that, you know, you completely mess something up, but keep going and something really cool could come out of it. And I do like this. Let me pop the flash on for you and we'll see if we get some of the metallic effect showing. Oh yeah, definitely gorgeous metallic showing. That will really enhance once this dries, and this one resin will look amazing, really cool. And I love the cells here. It's a bit raggedy around the edges, but I like it. I think it gives it character, especially as it was, you know, something that I was thinking of scraping but then decided to go on. But let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye.